Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube friends. My name is Biswa. In this video, I'll be showing a product from IKEA which is STOENSE. Again, it's a rug, low pile rug, and it is made in Turkey. The country of origin is Turkey, and the rug dimension, the rug price is Indian rupees. It is approximately 11,186 rupees, and the product is basically a machine woven rug and which is a low pile rug. So the quality itself is it is red color rug and it will be very helpful, but you need to place a bottom, like it needs to have a anti-slip underlay below that, so that all the dust particle will be accumulated there. And the product details, if we talk about, it is um, durable and stain resistant and easy to care. Since the rug is made up of synthetic fiber, the lights seen creates a variation in the surface. So this is really a good one. So you can put it under the your chairs or in the living room if you have. And basically when you talk about the material, the user surface is 100% polypropylene, and the back side is made up of vinyl rubber. You do not need to wash it, you do not need to dry clean also, just need to vacuum and rotate the rug regularly to keep the rug. If we talk about diameter is 195, thickness 18 mm, area will cover is 32 square feet, while thickness and all already mentioned. So it comes with two different color, one is blue, one is red, as per your convenience. So I'll put the purchase link on the description section, you can check that out. This is low pile. As I mentioned, low pile will have a closer or tightly coupled loops. So yeah, you can go ahead with this, anything that you think of. Both of them are very good quality. Do like this video if you like it, and thank you for watching. Thanks, bye.